We're gonna head over by lot 23. That's in West Palm. I've actually wanted to go there. There's like some it's like graffiti art, you know, like murals up. They did have like an art studio, but I think they lost their funding sometime in like at the beginning of this year. Anyway, I just been curious to see what it looks like in person because I've looked at pictures online. So he said we're gonna go past there. Oh, that's the Flagger Museum right there. Nice. Definitely is a spot we gotta come to. I think we're in West Palm now. We're like four minutes away from the destination where I wanted to go to, so it's real, brother. Homelessness is real. Oh, here's some of the artwork. It's like murals and stuff. That's cool. There, the mural. That's nice. Oh, look how cool this is. Look how cool this is. Man, I've seen it online, but it's so much cooler in person. Oh, wow. Really cool. Yeah, they had like an art thing going on around here at some point, but I think they shut it down. I like this around here. I gotta get more information on this area, what this area is like. What do you got? They used to have like I think they canceled their funding, but I think there's like a studio or something. Oh, that's cool, yeah. I had it on my to-do list. I wanted to come here to lot 23 or in the area of lot 23. I mean, they got like some sculptures out here made from like fence and stuff, you know, but it's cool. Definitely interesting. You know, I'm not sure how the area is 100%. Oh, there you go. That's the lot 23 studio. See? Well, they did shut them down. Or they ended up their funding. Oh, man, that sucks. They said that, you know, the kids used to come there. You know, it was a program for arts for everybody. Oh, that sucks. But this is where it was. See? It's empty now. Oh, that sucks. I mean, it looks good. I don't know what it is at night. Less human. I mean, you gotta have a taste for it, I guess. Alright, so we made it down here. We got to look around a little bit. This has been an interesting ride. I'm about an hour and 4 minutes away from home. We rode through West Palm. We're headed back. Day turned out to be good. We put some miles in. We rode from Fort Pierce down to Boca Raton and back. You know, it was actually really fun. I mean, you get to see a lot of things, a lot of different cars,